The Design Academy is Aurecon's preeminent technical learning forum. It's for the development of our most technically eminent staff and for them to be future focused and curious.
It's a 3-year accelerator program for our design, engineering and advisory professionals to fast track their transdisciplinary skills, storytelling skills and how they can build the breadth of their T-shaped capability.
Design Academy is a place that's forced us to think outside of our domains and listen to other influences, other areas, other technical disciplines.
What we try and do is impart skills and knowledge, collaboration techniques, storytelling techniques, and those are important because collaboration is really the path to innovation.
For our clients, it means they don't get a quick solution. They get people thinking through different schools of thought that they've been taught through the university and through other means.
RMIT is our amazing partner, and the people who attend this are all in line for a graduate certificate in design management.
It's a great program. I love it. I've been privileged to be part of it. I really enjoy seeing the progress of the scholars over those 3 years. They get better at transdisciplinary work, working across disciplines, better at storytelling, better at having confidence in telling their own personal story and growing their eminence.
And for me, it's a place that brings together some really diverse talent from across Aurecon to collaborate together and build something better together.
Aurecon Design Academy broadens the horizons of our professionals and consultants.
Aurecon is very committed to people with lifelong learning aspirations. It's been a great few days.
The value of the Design Academy to our staff is that they can develop amazing techniques to be able to tell the stories of their professions and their disciplines to a much wider range of people.
One word to describe the Design Academy is exciting.
Exciting.
Meaningful.
Multidisciplinary.
Fantastic experience.
Stretching.
Creation.
Awesome. Fulfilling.
Transdiscipline.
Dangerous.
Inspirational.
Inspiring.
Enlightening.
Innovative.
Impactful.
Rewarding.
Intelligence.
Culture.
Journey.
Expansion.
Unique.
I'm not aware of anything like this.
It's just
Connections.
A roller coaster.
Challenging.
Crystallizing.
Ideas.
Simulating.
Yeah, fun.
Provocative.
Self-exploring.
Design.